Namaskar, I'm Ajay Kanna, Country Head and Vice President, Herbalife International India Private Limited. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I would like to thank each one of you for your trust in Herbalife Nutrition Products. The Indian direct selling industry was valued at approximately rupees 13,000 crore at the end of fiscal year 2019. Your trust and our commitment has made Herbalife Nutrition one of the largest and most trustworthy organizations in this massive industry. Each one of us is responsible to preserve this trust for a promising future. And today, I would like to address some important issues through this advisory. All our products are exclusively manufactured in India, are licensed under Food Safety and Standards Act, and sold exclusively through our network of independent distributors. Herbalife Nutrition has not authorized any of its distributors to sell products through any online e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Any Herbalife Nutrition products sold on such e-commerce websites are unauthorized, and Herbalife Nutrition cannot assure quality and safety of such products. If you would like to purchase our products, please get in touch with our network of independent distributors who will help and guide you to find the right product. It has come to our attention that fraudulent offers, lottery winnings, and other fake communications under the name and garb of Herbalife Nutrition are being circulated by some fraudsters demanding to deposit monies and share personal information. Please note that Herbalife has not asked for any such personal information, payment, nor has authorized any entity on its behalf to carry out such fraudulent schemes. Also, Herbalife independent associates are being approached by unauthorized persons or entities to buy and sell bulk quantity of Herbalife Nutrition products. They make false and fake promises that placing such bulk orders against associates' IDs will help such associate qualify and progress to the next level. Please exercise caution and refrain from getting involved in such activities. For any further clarifications, please do get in touch with us. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. Thank you.